Good morning. So manu ami bongo deba ko ase. Last time moi video ekta banaise itu transportation karne aro ajibi idula hesabte ekta gobole mon jai ase. Si moi so manu jane ase. Itia mon last date de football match khan bi khili ase aro education khan bi lo ase, carnival khan bi lo ase aro ki program bi ni lo ase. Will be transportation de normalize noha karne one students life bishi burden there ase kilule one underprivileged or poor students khando bishi to pa ase ito moi ekta every ekta message aro bi kobole mon ja ase ito ina ase last time moi footage kami dikhaise holi bi ajinu na dikhabo aro last time la video to iku positive response pa nai ekta low pare holi bi ajita iku huna na ito ani moi ajibi bunawole mon ja ase aro itu la video to moi students leader khangi moi ekta appeal gole mon ase request itu ki ase bile mon all Nagaland college students union aro eastern naga college students union itu tuta union ge moi ekta appeal gole mon ase as and college students member of your union moi itu gole mon ase kari de SOP maintain kora do alop gam nai nai ki kile bile moi ekta smula go sumode the seat is around this much and one person will sit here, one person will sit here, but see there is just very close to each other and this is not the norms of maintaining SOP or social distancing. It has to be 1 meter. And on the other hand, the sad thing is that smooth seat dina thage front seat, middle seat, or last seat. Ito taxi de. Aro actually front seat actually boibo along with driver. Second seat de tujun boibo. Aro last seat de tujun boibo ina se according to government norms. Pangsudi pokho dai do. Aro like tai can be social distance maintain kuri diole. Yes, I really appreciate my government for like doing all this thing for the safety of public. But only for some time, COVID-19 has like it has reduced very low rate. Mula April ekta do ki gobole mon ase kole do. Aro ekta inari gobole mon ase moi. Kari ekta de SOP maintain kora do useless ase moi kile goile ase bile. Distance between maintain na kore aro mohan dikhe ase sumo de do last seat de do actually manu dadi boibo lage holibi tadi do samani bokhibo aro middle seat de tinjun boibo aro front seat de tinjun middle seat de bi tinjun boibo charjun bi boi aro udo front seat de do along with driver tujun bi boi aro kuma actually bi boi depending on the like the number of passenger. Itu moi under one confined compartment in taxi, it is not useful to maintain SOP or carrying only 50%, which is just a burden for the students community. I live in Boro. I have to pay 2,000 to reach Dimapur, and for these days, earlier it was 1,000. Aro manu and these days I'm staying in Futuro, okay, a very beautiful place Futuro de moi boy. Aro moi bi upai nai Dimapur like 50% ni ase ito ane 2000 bai gadina jabo lage kilo bile konda khambi ini like tahambi aro gari khambi manu hafi bukhiole de ase aro like chojin bukhili do ini police camera check kona ito taham Kali kai. Itu one dahambi 50% okay. Itu one even me I have to pay 2,000 just to reach from Bo to Futuro 2,000. I have to pay whole road like so journey laga katiwo lage from Bo to Dimapur journey kai katiwo lage because like there is no certain like the taxi playing between Futuro and Boro. Itu one morambra moi itu students leader khange moi kobole mona se. Kile bile apnani mohalla guardian ase aro in this matter like apnani mohalla guardian ase parents ase apnani to for the welfare of students community in our state. Please, those who are living in rural area, please moreover itu taxi lado, sumo transportation lado 100% pukhi dibi koina to the rightful concerned authority. Please China tahangi kotha gulbi aro tahangi problem bi share gulbi so that I think government will turn a positive year. I know our government, but my last time video it was just a video, and even me, I'm living in this very far-flung area, very far away from Kohima and Dimapur. It only maybe like Tahangi look good bolivi na pare, and I'm just a mere student. It only apnani right guardian, one student la say. It only morombra. Itu ta abnan China tamor sakhangi look guri aro kothabi guri aro like program bi share guri for students welfare in our like bishi khushi bawo aro bishi phalo aro like transportation is a very fundamental needs of the student. Without that we cannot travel from place to place. Ami itu far lahi kwa noy Kohima te lebi Dimapur te lebi auto la repi auto la firbi man thishe. Whereas like some students are playing through like auto by auto, even in Kohima by taxi. So like they are paying a huge amount, and they are burdening so much. So I mean, appeal to our leaders, students leaders, please, morom itulah video dikhile do. Just keep in mind your students, your lovely students, and please intervene it immediately. Because on date 6 I made this video, but government turned a deaf ear. Or maybe because it was unofficial, they didn't. It didn't reach them, or I don't know. But an appeal to our Eastern Nagaland College Students Union, all Nagaland College Students Union leaders, to please intervene to the policy. Please, my request, and I request all the students fraternity to please. Moromra itulah video do higher authority kung share guri aro let it reach to our higher authority. Thank you so much. Aro so manage phal din guri koina chahi. Thank you so much.